Hello everyone. On this week's animal topic, I'm going to be, on this week's animal topic, I will be discussing Cougars by the Emerald Dragon. We're gonna talk about the look of these animals first. So these animals have a skinny build with a tail that is black or has black at the end of it. The bottom half of the body has pale brown. Officially marking or descripting descripts with each different Cougar. Between 1985 and 1905, Cougars or pumas were placed in two separate groups. Into 20 males and 23 females. The name puma or puma is a form referred to American cats. In North America, the term of these cats are Cougars. These cats can be known as Cougars or pumas or pumas. Cougars are able to live up to 18 years. Next slide is where these animals live. So, the Cougar is originally from Canada, in the South Yokon. I think it's called Yokon. The Cougars are the largest ranging out of any land mammal. The Cougars are the Cougar is able to familiarize its surroundings. Cougars are found in any type of habitat because they can adapt easily. Cougars are able to live wherever. Including forests, high mountains, deserts, and even urban jungles. Which animals do Cougars hunt? So Cougars hunt not all animals, but they do hunt any type of deer, elk. I'm blanking on that name. Bighorn sheep. Birds, a type of pig. Smaller animals, porcupines, and raccoons. All right. Eating habits. So these cats are able to salvage or solely, yeah. Sorry. These cats are able to solely rely on stuff. In parentheses, I saw that in my research and decided to put it there to catch their food. There are the prey mainly for adult Cougars, primarily 60 to 80% of the diet. In certain regions, Cougars go after other prey. Cougars prefer to live mostly in wooded areas with rough terrain. Cougars can hunt or easily learn how to hunt in any habitat. These cats have now been appearing in other areas, including short grass prairie, urban areas, possibly in any habitat within Kansas. And these are the sources that I got my information from for the websites. And these are the sources for some of the images as well. I didn't do all the images because that would be a lot, but I did some. So that's it.